1987 Chevrolet K20 pickup. Nice looking truck. This particular truck was redone by its current owner a little over 10 years ago. When it was redone, did have new doors put on it, new box sides, side glass. Underneath the hood, 350, 5.7 liter throttle body V8. That is paired up with a manual transmission, power steering, power brakes. It's a nicely equipped truck. As you can take a look at the front grille, bumper chrome, take a look at the condition of that. This was originally a frost white truck, so still in the original color that it would have came back in 1987. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, check out the engine bay interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Remember, you can always call us to 507-386-1726. 87, this would have disc brakes up front, and again, they are power. As you can see, riding on alloy wheels, Firestone radials. Interior would be a cloth vinyl combination on a bench seat. Pretty stock looking interior, exception of looks like a different steering wheel and aftermarket stereo in there. We'll check that out when we get around to the other side to start it up. Paint is stayed in nice shape since this truck was restored, and he's just kept it real clean. One nice silver pinstripe going down it. Polished Nerf bars. Look at that. And you can see how straight it is also. Bed of it does have a mat in, heavy rubber mat, and I have pictures on our website with the mat out and with the mat in, so you can see it. Nice looking diamond plate toolbox in the back. Just a good looking truck. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the K20, recognizing this as a 4x4 truck, does have the shifter on the floor for the transfer case. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Looks like the passenger side. Awful nice and polished, straight. As you can see for yourself. Lots of times you'd see the bubbling above the wheel wells. This one has not been driven in inclement weather since the truck was redone, and it shows, no doubt about that. Let's go ahead and pop this door open, check out the interior. All right, it's a rubber floor. This probably would have been a super deluxe cab. Trim level of this truck, be my guess. There was a little crack I noticed in the dash just above the speaker, like you see so many of them. Let's go ahead and start this up. Here, run again, 5.7 liter. Throttle body. Don't need to pump it. Pioneer stereo. This does work. Had it working earlier, as you can see. Stereo does work. Heater fan, blower did work on that. Now, when I talked about manual transmission, so a couple different ways of looking at this. You could call it a 4-speed, or you could call it a 3-speed with a granny gear. That L is going to be for a granny gear. It does have an aftermarket oil pressure gauge, which you can see there. Yeah, there'd be your super deluxe marking on the dash. And again, power steering and power brakes. Door closes nicely. Nice little rumble coming out of that 5.7 liter. Sounding good. All right, I'll tell you what, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood, and let's go ahead and take a look underneath the hood.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice and tidy underneath here too. Let's go ahead. Excuse me, get up inside here so you can see a little bit better too. Smooth running V8. Check out the inner fenders. Nice shape. You can tell this truck was nicely restored. So there you go. You're looking for a 1987 4x4 K20 Chevrolet. Here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to us. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.